This is the new Mercedes S-Class. It's the S350D and it's made in India. The new 223 Gen S-Class takes charge of the torch for Mercedes-Benz. It is their most modern, most evolved and the smartest car in their portfolio. This is the V223 model, of course, with a 110mm longer wheelbase. That means there's a lot more car on offer. The S-Class personifies effortless motoring. It's set up on the softer side and flattens undulations, wafting rather than rolling forward. It's a car fit for royalty. This made in India S-Class retains a lot of equipment from the original S400D we had reviewed, but gets the 350D spec engine without the 4-wheel drive and 4-wheel steering. It's a long car, of course. At 5.3 meters long and a wheelbase more than 3.2 meters, it feels easy to drive. This is the 6-cylinder engine and it brings a lower level of power and no 4-wheel drive. The new OM656 inline 6-cylinder diesel engine is a properly modern unit. It's quiet, extremely refined and doesn't need high revs to get the job done. With 600 Nm of torque, peaking from just 1200 RPM, it feels unperturbed at all speeds, in any gear. A flex of the toe is enough to send it forward. Of course, it's more relaxing to be in. The S-Class boasts of comfort to spoil occupants. It has everything one would need on the move, and then some. The S-Class, of course, is signature Mercedes, and the place to be is here, in the back seat. It's also got all the spaces to store pretty much anything you need to. And the best part of the deal is it's a whopping 60 lakhs less.